Welcome back to part 3, and we are doing that Cherry Desire in the Golden Allure mix. I am waxing my little niece's boyfriend underarms because I know y'all didn't think he just came in to get his nipples waxed. No, sir. Now, look here. I know this is giving Christmas in August, but some of y'all probably thinking like, it kind of looked like blood and pus. Now, I need y'all to see past all that, okay? Stick to the plan. We trying to get some marble. We trying to just do what it do. The strip's already dry, so we're going to take this bad boy off. And I already knew she was going to eat. Like, look at that. Okay, I see it a little bit. I don't know why, but I feel like my cleanup strips, they just come out so much more prettier. Maybe because there's not much hair there. Just a, like, smoother canvas. Y'all see that? Ugh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. And yes, guys, the Cherry Desire is their most sold wax, believe it or not. It does have fragrance. It smells like cherries. It smells so nice. So you better hurry up and get some because they are running low on it and they still have it on sale. I like the red wax, especially for Halloween content or Valentine's Day content. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Well, okay, let's go ahead and mix the pink now. I'm ready.